Hey, what's good, y'all? It's Latrell, and shout out to Nomad because they always hooking your boy up. So I already got the Base Station Hub by Nomad, but this the one with the magnetic alignment, so this one actually got MagSafe in here, so this is gonna be dope. I reached out to them to ask them if they could send it over to me, and they went ahead and sent it over, so now we're gonna go and check this thing out, so y'all know what we gotta do. Let's get into it. Alright, y'all, so we're back here again at the legendary unboxing table, and I'm kind of hyped to go and check this thing out, because check this out. I'm grabbing my Nomad Base Station Hub over here, because you can see that I already got one, and like I said, I'm really feeling this thing. And recently, I've been challenging myself to use an iPhone 13 as my main phone, so far, I mean, it's going alright. And you can see here, I got a Nomad case on it, so let me go ahead and get this off real quick. Check that out, man. I'm rocking Nomad everything right now. But this is going to be dope with the iPhone 13, so let's go and get this thing unboxed. Alright, so we got the base station itself, we got Base Station Hub, wireless charging dock with magnetic alignment. On the left side, we got Nomad with carbide gray. On the back, we got magnetic alignment, ultimate power hub, and then slim, sleek design. And from what I'm told, there's only one MagSafe alignment out here, which is kind of trash, but it is what it is, I guess. And by the way, I was wrong. This is the Base Station Pro I got. So if you actually want to go and cop this thing, the price is going to run you 120 bucks. So yeah, the price is most definitely up there. Like, I ain't even gonna front. But alright, so we're going to go and need our unboxing knife for this. So let's go and get into this. Cutting that. Alright, now let me go ahead and get this open. And I think we need to go ahead and cut some more tape in a minute. So here we go. We got Nomad. And if we look here at the bottom, yeah, we got more tape. Oh, wait, maybe not. Alright, bet. Never mind. I was wrong. We got to cut this at the top here. So let's go ahead and do that real quick. There we go. Alright, Nomad here. Let's go and get this thing open. And here we go. Whoa, what was this? Okay, never mind. I guess that don't matter. So here we go. We got the Nomad Base Station Hub here. So as you can see, this thing's kind of small. Definitely compared to my Base Station Pro, because you can put more things on here. So yeah, that is what it is. So alright, we got the Base Station Hub over here with MagSafe. So let's go and throw that to the side. And then we have our cable here. So you can't detach this or nothing like that. As you can see, it ain't even USB-C like it is on my Base Station Pro here, as you can see here at the top. But I mean, it is what it is, I guess. I keep saying it is what it is, but at the same time, like, I don't know, maybe I just prefer it. It's a pretty long cable though, and it's braided, so you ain't got to worry about that. Also, we got some international adapters up in here, so that's dope. Now if we look around this thing real quick, we got the Nomad logo, we got the pad here itself. So this is all leather and metal, so this thing is just premium and nice. That's how Nomad always does it. That's how the products always is. And if we look here in the back, we got the QR code with Nomad. And if we look here at the top, we have a few ports here. Not sure what that is, we'll figure it out in a minute. We got the charging port, we got a USB-A port, so you can go and plug in another phone, and then you got a USB-C port to plug in another phone. And at the bottom, you got your LED indicators here for your 3 devices you can charge on here. Now let me go and grab my iPhone 13 here and check this out. So there is the magnetic alignment here, as you can see. So it's just sticking there, which is dope. Taking the iPhone 13 right here, let's go and throw that on. And as you can see, all right, so there we go. Now it's charging, and we don't got the MagSafe animation. So it ain't officially MagSafe, but it is wireless charger with magnets. Taking my Galaxy Buds 2 here, let's go and throw that on, and let me see real quick. Alright, so I went ahead and played around with this for a little bit, and it actually works now. So let's go and throw our original fold on here, and as you can see here, it's now charging. So it's wireless charging. It's not fast charging though. Now if we go and take our Galaxy Buds 2, let's go and try that again, and as you can see there, now it's charging, and then we got the LED indicator. Now it's going to be a little hard getting 3 devices to charge on this little pad here, so we can't do that today. I figured those are still wireless chargers, because first off, it will be odd for it to be on the side like this, and also they literally already said that there's 3 coils in here, so like, I ain't know. But now let's go and try out wired charging on here. So we got USB-A, so plugging that in there, it's charging, and as you can see there, it's not fast charging, but it is charging. USB-C with a Nomad cable, and as you can see there, it's charging, and not only that, it's fast charging, so we Gucci on that. Now we got 4 devices at the same time. Let's get it. All right, now I'm plugging it in, and it's still fast charging. Even with 4 devices plugged in, it's still fast charging right now. So all right, y'all, that was the Nomad Base Station Hub, and if you want to go and pick one up, the link's gonna be down below in the description. But I'm gonna go and get up with y'all, man. So thanks for watching. If you like this video, go and give this video a like, and if you really liked it, go and subscribe, or go and follow me on my social media at ECentech on Instagram and Twitter, and Facebook, but Instagram and Twitter is the most active. So yeah, man, this is a nice charger. The price is most definitely out there. I ain't gonna sit here and say that it ain't, but at the same time, this thing is high quality and premium, and it works well, so I ain't got no problems with it. All right, y'all, thanks for watching. I'll see you on the next one, and peace out.